Hi everyone, this afternoon we took our Mustang to a car show here in the local area, and we got this nice little trophy. We were tied for first place in the class we entered the car in. It was the customized muscle car category. There was a lot of neat cars out there, everything from older 50s models on up to a brand new 2022 Corvette that parked a few spaces over from us. So lots of variety. It was a lot of fun. Met a lot of definite car enthusiasts this afternoon, and we did take photos of some of the entrants there, and we will be posting some really cool car photos and a few more posts coming up. So there you go. Our baby won an award.